What is up, y'all? Back again. Today we'll be installing new license plate lights on my 2008 GMC Duramax. But first, let's get into the montage. So as y'all can see, only that one is shining. That one is not working. So that is why we will be replacing them. So as you can see on this one, all you gotta do to pop these out, you can just kind of put some force on the edge right here. And then they kind of just pops out. Oh, that's why it's not working. It's not even in there. But as you can see, you kind of just want to slide it in and pop it in place, and it pops like that. So we'll take this one out, and then we'll take the other one out real quick. This one needs a little more force. And slide it right out. As you can see, that's how you take them out. So what you will be doing is just unscrewing this right here. You know, I'll get back to you guys in 1 second. Okay, so as you can see, that took a little bit of extra effort, but we got it off. So you can see it's still shining like this. Now you do not want to touch these while they're hot like that. They will burn you very significantly. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and take it out, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so here's the new product we'll be installing. As you can see, it's all LED right there. And then these 3 bars are actually LED lights. So you'll see those in a second. So all you got to do is, as you can see here, you just plug it right into that one. Now, let me put the camera down real quick and we'll get back to that in a second. Okay, we got it in. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. And again, you want to put that in on the back end. And then just snap it right into place. And there you go. So as you can see, those red bars light up in the LEDs. I'll show you back here. So there's an example. On the left side is the stock one, on the right side is the aftermarket one. So as you can see, it's a heck of a lot brighter. So yeah, let me get the other one in, we'll go from there. Okay, as y'all can tell, there's the finished product. It looks a heck of a lot better. And also at night, when the cops are looking at your lights, they can really see your license plate now. But other than that, and it kind of gives it those red accents on the back, which really complement the running lights when they're on. Especially when we go to get aftermarket taillights, it'll look a heck of a lot better in that aspect. But there's a Ferrari coming through. But yep, that'll about wrap it up. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned. Thank you guys.